Hi Catherine, I want to thank you for sending in your material for us to test on our die cutting press. I just want to show you a couple of spots. I did a little quick test sample before I shot the video to show you that the parts can be cut out, different shapes. I did a couple of test spots on this one. I'm gonna redo this so you can see it working, but you can see how the Velcro cut right along with some fabric, and on this one same thing, cut out very cleanly. So I'm going to go ahead, and I've got several different thicker dies here that I'm going to use. Different shapes. This one's a narrow with a little narrow bottle tip on one end. And we also have a circle and a flip-flop. I'm going to try both these too. We'll start with the black fabric. And I am going to put the circle die on here. Slide it in. And as you can see, it cuts it out, but it still leaves a little bit of an edge, a little bit of a frayed edge right there. Now that's probably because of my die. I've used these test dies quite often. I'm going to go ahead and try the bottle die on this black fabric. And that one doesn't seem to want to cut out of the black fabric as well as the other two fabrics. We'll try the different shape. We'll try this shape die here. This one doesn't want to cut as well as the other ones. Wants to leave a little edge around it. Cuts the shape out, but as you can see, it doesn't cut it cleanly. I'm going to try the other fabric here. See what we can do with that with the circle die. This one cut out very cleanly, as you can see. Now I'm going to do the white fabric again. I've already cut the bottle, so I'll cut the circle out this time. See, that cuts out very cleanly too. And that has the Velcro on it. Now we'll go ahead and try the other white fabric again. I'll use the flip-flop on here to show you that it can do a larger pattern. That did not cut as cleanly as the other one. That one didn't go through the fabric very well. And as you can see on the back side, the pattern shows up, but it didn't cut all the way through. Now, what I'm going to do is test the 1500 on this fabric for you, so you can see the difference in the two machines. Excuse me. Do the same pattern on the 15. This one cut out a lot cleaner, except on one side I do believe my pattern is getting pretty dull. Now I'll try another cut on this using a different piece. We'll use the bottle again. Now this die was a lot sharper, so it cut out a lot cleaner, as you can see. And we will try one more cut. This pattern here. That one cut out a little better as far as your the pattern, the complete pattern goes, as you can see. I will call you and discuss this video with you here in just a few minutes, and we'll see what we can come up with. Thank you.